We found a puppy in the middle of nowhere while driving. Where is he going? What is he doing here? He looks scared and lost. We stood from afar watching for about 15 minutes, but no one came to claim him. Maybe he was abandoned here. We will take the puppy home and take care of him. I just saw him here, but now I don't see him. He hid when he saw us. He no longer just humans. He was hiding in the grass. I discovered him when I saw the blades of grass shaking. Puppy is trembling in fear. I hugged him to reassure him. He doesn't know yet that we want to help him. Now we will take him to the veterinary clinic for a health check. I gave him a sweet kiss. It's a boy, about 1 month old. The vet has started checking his health, and hopefully he will be healthy. We named the puppy Misha. If you like what we do, please support us in our mission to help stray animals. Please donate to us via PayPal. The doctor vaccinates Misha and then he goes home. Give him some food. He seemed to want to say thank you to the vet. From now on, he is no longer a homeless puppy. We will give him a loving home. It's amazing that he can fight to survive on his own until now. From now on, I will be the one to take care of Misha. Time to bathe Misha. Staying outside for a long time caused dirt and bacteria to stick to his body. We will give all the best to Misha because we would like Misha to have the happiest childhood. We used a cloth to dry the puppy's body. Misha is an obedient and intelligent puppy. My family members all love him. You see his next meal. Maybe he has never had such delicious meals in his life. He shed tears because he felt happiness here. Please share the video to spread the good news to everyone, as well as helping us to stay motivated to continue our work. Misha has always wanted to be by my side. He is afraid of being alone again. He looks so cute. Tonight he will lie in my bed. I want to hug him to sleep. I'm teaching him to play with me. He seems very mischievous.